Good morning from the Norwegian Viva here with Norwegian Cruise Lines. Today we are ported in Sint Maarten, Philipsburg, Sint Maarten, one of our favorite islands here in the Caribbean. And we are very excited to see our friend Johnny at Johnny's ATVs. We have a ATV for the day. We're going to explore all of Sint Maarten. We did this once before, so we'll link the video down below. But it's nice this time because we're more familiar and we know all the places we want to go. So we'll see you there. Just got off the gangway and we are headed into Philipsburg, Sint Maarten. Beautiful day. Sunny day.
It's always sunny in Sint Maarten.
Yes. So the best thing about Johnny's scooter and ATV rentals is it's super close to the port. It's literally about a 15 to 20 minute walk from the ship. So once you get off the ship, you walk through the port shopping area, past the taxis, and out to the main street. Hang a left like you're headed to Philipsburg. And he's right down the street. Take a left off the main street at Sunshine Gift Shop and pop right on over here to Johnny's Scooter and ATV Rental. From cultural journeys to fabulous food and unforgettable backdrops, there is so much to love about Sint Maarten. And with a fun-filled island tour from Johnny's ATV and Scooter Rental, you'll see it all. So these are the standard ATVs. Can fit 2 people. We did this last time and we'll link that video below. We actually tied our bags back here, which was super convenient, and we tied our bags up front, and we had a blast. Johnny does guided tours. He also rents them by the hour. So we're gonna explore all the hot spots here in Sint Maarten. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It always is. And thank you, Johnny, for showing us around. So this is how you want to get around Sint Maarten. If you're gonna explore Sint Maarten, this is how you wanna do it, right here. In style, shade, comfort.
3 seats in the back, trunk.
So you got 1 cup holder here, 2 cup holders here, 2 cup holders there, and Jared, do you have another cup holder on your side?
Here, there's multiple pockets in below the steering wheel, and
okay.
You know, if you're concerned about size, the steering wheel adjusts down and up.
Nice, nice. Okay, you can put anything in there. You can put a cooler, towel,
ice,
all kinds of stuff.
Whatever.
Perfect for your day in Sint Maarten. We're gonna have an ATV adventure of Sint Maarten. Melvin's gonna take us to all the amazing sights. Bring you along. Let's go. So we're headed to Maho Beach as our first stop. Maybe we'll be able to stop at the Sunset Beach Bar and grab a cocktail.
Jet fuel.
Jet fuel. Along the way to the world famous Maho Beach, we took a shortcut and headed off-road in our ATVs, Sint Maarten style. Woo! Off-roading.
Welcome to the airport beach.
For our first stop along our guided tour with Johnny's ATV and Scooter Rentals in Sint Maarten, we visited the world-famous Maho Beach. This is a small beach with a big welcome thanks to the adjacent airport runway. Here, you get up close and personal with jet engines by the minute. Even if you're not an airplane lover like us, Maho has something for everyone. If you're looking for a party, this beach is for you. Grab a delicious ice-cold beverage from Sunset Beach Bar, rent a beach chair for a spot in the sand, and enjoy the music. Have fun in the sun, all while low-flying jets touch down at Princess Juliana International Airport. How long do we have here, Melvin?
We have about 30 minutes stop for you to get a little rest and get a little water, get something to drink.
Water.
Preferably water. Feel free to adventure around on the beach. So we will see everybody back in 30 minutes.
We'll see you then, Melvin. Thank you.
Right.
We are here at our first stop in Sint Maarten. We're at the Sunset Beach Bar. Grabbed a beverage, enjoying the beautiful beach, waiting for the next jet engine to fly over us here at the most extreme beach in the world. So there's seating here at the Sunset Beach Bar. There's also a pool inside, table service, all kinds of things here for you to enjoy at Sunset Beach Bar on Maho Beach.
If you're looking to have Maho Beach to yourself, arrive early or visit on a day when cruise ships aren't in port.
On to our next stop.
In case you didn't already know, this tropical oasis is a 2-for-1. The northern half of the island is a French territory, while the southern half is a state within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. On every visit, we love crossing the border between the two to experience all they have to offer. With its mountainous landscape and over 30-plus beaches, Sint Maarten is known by most as the Europe of the Caribbean. Our next spot on our guided tour with Johnny's ATV and scooter rental in Sint Maarten took us to the Marigot waterfront. A visit to Sint Maarten wouldn't be complete without a visit to the culturally rich French capital of Marigot. Here, you'll find the largest open-air market in the Caribbean, packed with incredible food. Oh my goodness, those bakeries. And people. We never have enough time here. This lively and vibrant spot is filled with uniquely handcrafted goods, apparel, and jewelry. Fresh seafood, spices, herbs, and of course, amazing food and drinks.
So we're here for 30 minutes too. So we'll meet back here in 30 minutes.
Hi! We're at the Francis Bar and Restaurant here in Marigot. Fiona will be our server. What's your name? Fiona. Oh, Fiona! Nice to meet you. I'm Janine and this is Jared.
Nice to meet you.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
We had a delicious lunch here in Marigot. Chicken wings were fantastic.
Wish we had more time.
Yeah, just wish we had more time here. Really, really good spot. So check this out if you come to Marigot. Perhaps the best free activity you will find in Sint Maarten is Fort St. Louis. This 18th century French military fort is set on a hillside overlooking Marigot. The beautiful grounds and breathtaking views are all accessible by a steep railed staircase. 92 steps, we counted them.
But while you're up there, there's a 360 view of all around. To the far to the left, you'll be able to see Aguila. And the rest of the view here, down to Marigot, the coastline, all the way to the other end. Okay. So we meet everybody after you come back up. When you come down from the top, we're heading over to the beach at Orient Bay. That's our lunch stop. Okay.
92 steps lead to the top, where you'll find a piece of history with ruins, cannons, iguanas, and panoramic views. If you can, time your visit for sunrise or sunset. For a real treat, grab lunch to go from a Marigot market vendor and head to the top of Fort St. Louis for a picnic in the sky.
Got a pretty good view of everything. And the way to the lunch spot is down that way. So we go through the back of Marigot, we go up Agrama Hill, down past Rambo, down Lesaman, and our next stop will be Orient Bay Beach.
Yay.
Chez Leandra, if you want to use the beach chairs, they're the yellow color. So welcome to Chez Leandra. This is your rest spot. So we're here for 45 minutes. Enjoy.
Our absolute favorite part of our day in Sint Maarten is always a stop in Orient Bay. Laid-back island life is at its best here in picturesque Orient Bay. This is truly one of the best beaches in the world, in our opinion, and life moves a bit slower here along the bay's brilliantly clear waters and a long stretch of soft white sand beaches. Grab a meal at one of the many oceanfront restaurants from an umbrella-covered lounger and soak in the sun as the gentle waves crash along the shore.
So we're here at our beach stop on Orient Beach in Sint Maarten. We got some crepes and some french fries.
Our favorite food spots in Orient Bay are Capital Beach for an authentic beach club experience where sushi is their specialty, and Chez Leandra for genuine service and an authentic Caribbean dining experience.
So it's been a couple of years since we've been here, and the beach is much busier. Now, we came in September. That might have been the off season. We're here now in February, early March. So spring break obviously is beginning. There are a lot more people here. There's a lot more restaurants open, which is great to see because when we were here, there wasn't so much. But it's a beautiful day here in Sint Maarten. Yeah, we left the beach just in time. The clouds are rolling in.
If you're considering a trip to Sint Maarten, do it. You won't regret it. But here's a few things you should know. Both sides of the island, French and Dutch, speak English and accept the US dollar as well as credit cards. Vehicles drive on the right side of the road and pass on the left. Motorists greet each other in passing with a honk of their horn. Think of it as a wave hello. Cellular and GPS service are available throughout the island, and we took full advantage of our International Day Pass thanks to AT&T for data, calls, and texts. For our last stop, we wandered the streets of the Dutch capital of Philipsburg, Sint Maarten. Here, you'll find a variety of retailers from Michael Kors on Old Street to Mango on Front Street. We prefer to visit the Philipsburg market for unique handmade jewelry, apparel, and of course, souvenirs to bring home for family and friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the trip. So I hope you had a wonderful trip. You know where to find us when you come back to Sint Maarten. Johnny Scooter Rental.
So I'm Johnny from Johnny Scooter and Buggy Rental, ATVs and buggies. 6-seaters. For now I have 12 ATVs. Look on the website, johnnyscooterrental.com. You find all the information about tours, rentals, and whatever you like. And book please online because it's very busy, so I can reserve it. It's SXM Scooter ATV at gmail.com. You're all welcome.
And Johnny will make sure you have a great time.
Johnny and Melvin.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Sint Maarten has everything you could need in a destination. So whether you're just visiting for the day or the week, Johnny Scooter and ATV Rentals and his team will make sure your time in Sint Maarten is full of memories that you will always treasure. Thank you so much, Johnny, for helping us explore Sint Maarten like locals. And if Sint Maarten isn't on your bucket list already, what are you waiting for?
We're back on board Norwegian Viva, and we've grabbed a daybed here on the Ocean Walk. Got beautiful Sint Maarten behind us. We're waiting for our beers.
We are going to see how good he is because we moved.
Yes. So we ordered beers in one chair and we moved to the daybed. So we'll see if he finds us. Yes.
Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you next time.
Every day, Monday through Sunday. There you go.
You can reach on any number.
Six. Well, no. believe it's 6. So 5.